Understand Funimate. Funimate is a popular mobile application that allows users to create, edit, and share short videos with special effects, music, and filters. It's an excellent platform for beginners to showcase their creativity and connect with a global audience. Get familiar with the app. Download the Funimate app on your smartphone, iOS or Android, and create an account using your email or Facebook. Explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the features, tools, and editing options available. Learn basic video editing. To create engaging videos, it's essential to understand the basics of video editing. Familiarize yourself with concepts like trimming and merging video clips. You can find numerous online tutorials to help you learn these skills. Experiment with effects and filters. Funimate offers a wide range of effects and filters to enhance your videos. Experiment with these features to understand their impact on your video's overall look and feel. This will help you make informed decisions while creating your content. Choose a niche or theme. Decide on a specific niche or theme for your Funimate videos. This could be anything from comedy skits to dance covers, tutorials, or vlogs. Having a clear focus will help you create content that resonates with your target audience. Plan your content. Create a content plan or schedule to keep your channel consistent and organized. Decide on the frequency of your videos, the type of content you'll be creating, and any collaborations or challenges you want to participate in. Engage with the Funimate community. Interact with other Funimate users by liking, commenting, and sharing their videos. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach and gain exposure. This will also help you learn from others and improve your skills. Promote your videos. Share your Funimate videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to reach a broader audience. Utilize hashtags to make your content more discoverable. Monitor your progress. Regularly analyze your video performance using Funimate's built-in analytics tools or third-party apps. This will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Use this information to refine your content strategy. Stay updated. Keep an eye on the latest trends, updates, and features on Funimate. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and create content that remains relevant and engaging. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting, learning, and creating to grow your presence on Funimate. Good luck on your creative journey.